everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 25th to 29th of March 2024 on Monday. Gunzi arms his men for a mission while the police station is under attack. Nunga makes it a mission to help imminently bring down the criminals, whilst Wu warns Mbata that he's done conning this township on Tuesday. The nightmare at the police station continues for the worse. Nonka forces imminently to take active step to change her situations. Bo refuses to find himself a victim of another Mbata scam on Wednesday. While Mondli think he may have an idea who robbed the police station, Kunzi and his entourage dine Nogwanjinji. Noktula responds by pouring water on Getcha's feet when he asks her out. Zodwa has vanished into a thin air. On Thursday, Nkonzi and Izinzizwa take the fall for something they know nothing about. Noka and Minetla's plan B is going as planned. One Jinji invites Mamlambo to a new adventure. Mbata wins Linda's beer over on Friday. Mondli's search for the police station robbed proved to be a tough task. Minetla makes a huge mistake because of nerves, while Nyawo ignores Nkunzi's calls. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.